How to connect TikTok on stereo. So hey guys, in this video I will teach you how to connect TikTok on stereo. So to connect your TikTok on stereo, all we need to do is open up our stereo right here. Once you open up our stereo right here, on the bottom right corner you will see your profile right there. Press on our profile right there. So pressing on the profile right there, you're located right here at the profile. Here at your profile, all we need to do is click on the settings. Oh no, on the ball pen. Right there to find friends right there. Just like a pencil icon right there. Press on that there. Right there. After pressing on the ball pen right icon right there, you'll see here TikTok link account. Press on the link account right there. After pressing on the link account right there, just have to wait for a few seconds. It's redirecting us. As you can see right now, Zero wants to access your TikTok account right here. As you can see right here, you can now click on continue. Once you're if you want to connect it right there. As you can see right now, upload draft content TikTok for further editing and access your profile info, avatar, and display name. There you go. As you can see right there. After turning that off, after reading it, right there you can look at the terms of privacy and privacy content right there. Then there you go. Or you can just turn off it, and there you go. Click all right there. So there you go. Now all you need to do is click on continue. Once you click on continue right there, you'll be now you'll now be connected to your on your TikTok here on stereo. So there you go. So hope you video, hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, have the concept, guys, I'll answer as soon as possible here. How to rocket. And thank you guys. I meant not how to rocket and guy glimpse. Sorry guys, I keep saying how to rocket. So there you go. In guy glimpse, guys. Thank you guys and see you guys in the next one.